Good day, I'm Stacey Ann Smith and this is your Jis News for September 18. The government will be moving swiftly to address the poor sanitary conditions at the Pedro Keys. Recent media reports pointed to the absence of running water and a lack of toilet facilities as issues affecting the area. Representatives from the National Environment and Planning Agency NEPA have been sent to the Keys to better assess the situation. NEPA will be joined by the Ministry of Agriculture and Fisheries and the Local Government and Community Development Ministry. Environment Minister Robert Pickersgill says the Pedro Keys are very important as they are the breeding ground for conch and lobster. The conch industry accounts for about 2% of Jamaica's goods and services industry. The Pedro Keys also provide seabird nesting and roosting areas and are fishing hotspots. Jamaica is poised to reap financial benefits from a new shipping container cleaning and repairing facility at Newport West in Kingston. The establishment, called ISOCON JLB, is a joint investment between Scottish engineering firm ISOCON and Jamaican-owned JLB International Shipping. Speaking at the official launch, Investment Minister Anthony Hilton said the entity will attract ISO tank container operators in the food-grade markets throughout the Caribbean, Central America and South America.
They will beat a path to this facility for state-of-the-art services for equipment cleaning, repairs, testing, certification, and storage, thereby reducing the cost of freight transport to reaching their markets.
The ISOCON JLB investment, which was facilitated by the Jamaica Promotions Corporation JAMPRO, is expected to create a number of jobs over time. A partnership has been forged between the Mico University College in Jamaica and education officials in South Africa. The joint agreement will see an exchange of teaching practices in universities in both countries. Education Minister Ronald Thwaites welcomed the partnership, while the South African Education Minister spoke of some areas for cooperation.
We've used this trip to lay a firmer foundation for cooperation between our institutions, our universities and colleges, in a number of areas, whether it's humanities and social sciences, whether, for instance, is in the teaching and production of maths teachers.
Meanwhile, children attending the Little Bay All-Age and Infant School in Westmoreland now have the benefit of a technology room. The facility, opened by the Education Minister, formed part of the school's renovation and expansion project. The technology room has been retrofitted with 8 computers, a UPS and an air conditioning system. Minister Thwaites commended the Rock House Foundation for its charitable work, saying the gift would help give the children a good start.
We can be the architects of accelerating that change right now in our time. That's what we're trying to do with early childhood education. We want to do it right the first time.
A call has been made for the island's engineers to lead the way in setting and adhering to standards that govern the various sectors in which they operate. The charge came from the Minister of Water, Land, Environment and Climate Change, Robert Pickersgill, who was speaking at the opening ceremony of a conference to mark Engineers Week.
I also charge you to constantly keep abreast of state-of-the-art, cutting-edge science and technology and make your own contribution to them by integrating research and development, science and technology more fully into your various efforts.
The conference, which will run from September 16 to 22, is being held under the theme Engineering Standards for Integrated Regional Development. And this week is also being celebrated as National Breastfeeding Week. This year's theme is Support Breastfeeding, Learning from the Past, Securing the Future. Against this background, the Ministry of Health is again encouraging mothers to exclusively breastfeed their infants for the first 6 months. Mothers are also encouraged to continue to breastfeed up to 2 years and beyond, while incorporating other foods into their children's diet. Director of Health Promotion and Protection in the Health Ministry, Dr. Kevin Harvey, used Monday's launch to re-emphasize the benefits of breastfeeding.
Breast is the best source of food and nourishment for babies and also helps in their emotional and physical development as well as their overall well-being and health.
And that's it for JIS News today. I'm Stacey Ann Smith. Thank you for watching.